Hi everyone, and welcome to our Elevate Barn 70 tour. So whether you're looking for a smaller home for mum out the back of an existing home, a rental earner, or just extra space for family and guests, then our 70 model range really does tick all the boxes. This particular house here behind me is a little bit different though, in that it's going to be joined on site to our Elevate 154 model, which is being built alongside it here. So that's going to be joined on site via a sort of a central courtyard and decking area to create one really spacious family home. We have 4 designs in our Elevate 70 square metre range, and this one here is based on our Barn 70 2-bedroom model. So it is based on our standard floor plan, but there are a few tweaks throughout, which I will show as we head around the home right now, if you like. So let's go and check it out. Right, as you step inside here, you come straight into this open plan kitchen, dining and living area at the end there. And it's got a lovely sense of space thanks to this high ceiling up here. That is an upgrade, but it's a really clever one for smaller homes with less of a footprint. Right behind me here, we've got this gorgeous wee kitchen. And I say wee, but it actually packs in a lot of storage. Along the top here, the clients have put in extra cupboards, but everything else you see is the standard setup for our Elevate 70 kitchen. So down the end here, we've got soft close drawers, we've got a dishwasher space with pot cupboard underneath, then we have the under sink cupboards, twin bin drawers here, and then a spacious corner cupboard in the corner. Right, on this wall here, we have the oven, hob and then range hood above with more cupboards. There's also a little tray cupboard there as well, tucked away. Alongside that, we've got the fridge space, more cupboards above, and then down the end here, we've got this really good size pantry. Yeah, so plenty of storage in this kitchen and no awkward, pokey little spaces. Okay, the first door leading off the living area here is the master bedroom. So we have a large window on the exterior wall there, and then our usual 2 bedside windows on this wall. And then on the internal wall, we would normally have a 3-bay wardrobe here, but clients have gone for a singular wardrobe with these really good size drawers underneath and a handy office nook alongside that with some cupboards above. So a cool little setup there. So come on through now into the second door on our left here, the combined bathroom and laundry. So this room has all the standard features and layout. So on this side of the room we have the laundry sink, high-rise tap with over cupboards, under cupboards, and a space for a stacked washer machine and dryer, and then open shelving above. On the bathroom side we have the towel rail, then a really generous size shower along the back there at 1.6 metres by 1 metre, so really good size with a low profile tray. Alongside that we've got the soft close toilet, and then here we have the 3-drawer vanity, if you count the hidden one in there. Vanity on this wall with our standard frameless mirror and vanity light. Final thing in this room is the skylight. That's actually a relatively new feature in our Elevate 70 homes, but a really great idea for bringing in sort of soft natural light into the space. Okay, this last door heads into the second bedroom, which is slightly smaller than the master bedroom, but it still comfortably fits a queen bed and 2 bedside tables. This room also has a 2-bay wardrobe. With these doors are actually slightly taller than our standard doors. But we'll head back out into the living area here, or the lounge. We have a TV wall directly in front of me with the flush box all ready to go. And then at the end wall, we've got this large window. But if you choose the covered deck option for this plan, those windows become doors and they open out onto a beautiful enclosed deck area. As this house is part of a larger project that I was talking about before with the joining to the 154, the decking in the central courtyard area will be outside these sliding doors on this side of the room. Okay, and a final few things to point out. The curtains that you saw throughout are additional, and the clients changed the kitchen and lounge and bedroom windows from our usual awning style to sliding windows. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the tour and have had a good look through and a good feel for the layout and size of our 70 homes. But if you want to find out more information, of course, head over to our website, check out the Elevate 70 page. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.